Hello, a lot of people ask me how to reset a universal remote control to use it for another TV brand. For most universal TV remote controls, you do not need to reset the control to use it for another brand. You can just override the code and it will work perfectly. If you have this particular remote control, you can reset the remote control by press and hold the set button and 0 button simultaneously for 3 seconds. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.